Alright, we are here with the card to meet Ashley. Let's go find her. Hello, welcome to Meixsell Reviews and How-Tos. My name is Brian. As you know from the title of this video, this is neither a review or a how-to video. The other day, my YouTube channel crossed over 6,000 subscribers. And so, in honor of that, I wanted to do something nice, and I felt like giving away a graphics card would be a cool thing to do. I've owned this card for about 4 years now, and it's been a great card for me. I recently upgraded to a 1440p 144 Hz monitor. So, you know, although this card does okay at 1440p, I just want a little more power, so I decided it's time to upgrade, and while I'm doing that, and I crossed over 6,000 subscribers, why not do something nice for somebody and give away a GTX 970? So my plan for this video is I'm going to list the card on Craigslist for $100, and when I meet up with the potential buyer, they're going to find out that not only are they going to be getting a GTX 970, but they're going to be getting it for free. I think this is going to be pretty fun, so let's go. Okay, so our ad is all ready to go. Let's click publish. Okay, the ad's published, so now we wait. Well, it would appear that Craigslist is not what it used to be when it comes to selling stuff, at least I guess where I live. It has now been just over 18 hours since I posted my card online, so I figured I'd try Facebook Marketplace, see if that works any better. So it has only taken about 4 hours. But we've got somebody on Facebook that is seemingly interested in the GTX 970, but man, he is lowballing the heck out of me. 40 bucks. My goodness. Well, let's see. What should we say to this guy? You, my friend, seem to be quite the skilled negotiator. $40 is a little on the low side. What about $80? Question mark. So apparently he gets paid on Friday. And if I still have the card, he'll text me. Well, I don't know if it'll still be around then, but guess I can say, sure, sounds cool. Alright, this guy's obviously interested. So, I think I want to put some feelers out right here. Let's see something here. Just out of curiosity, what is the most you could afford to pay right now? Question mark. 40. Ha ha ha. Okay. He already knew I was gonna say no. Okay, I like this guy. Yeah, it is a really good 1080p gaming card. Tell you what, this little interaction we've had has been fun. Can you do 50? Question mark. Okay, he says, my girlfriend works in the afternoon. She's the only one who can let me borrow. Sorry. So either he's not really that interested or really only has 40 bucks. I wonder what I can do. Because I think I'd like to give this card to this guy. Okay, I think I got an idea. You got anything you could trade maybe? Question mark. What stuff am I into? Wow, that's a bit of a loaded question. Period. LOL. What time does your girlfriend get off work? Question mark. Oh, that sounds really bad. It's like, what kind of stuff are you into? When does your girlfriend get off work? Question mark. No, I'm not gonna put that. So he's asking, am I into like video games, Pokemon cards, I'm assuming that's Yu-Gi-Oh? No, not really into those kinds of things. Tell you what, if you can meet right now, as much as it hurts me, I'll take $40. Okay, what's going on with this guy? Is he just like messing around with me? Like he doesn't really have any money, or he doesn't really want the card? I just told him that I would do $40, but he hasn't responded, so wondering what the deal is. I did say that if he can meet me like right now, maybe I'm being like too aggressive, you know, maybe he thinks I'm some kind of weirdo. You know, I guess I am kind of a weirdo. I want to give him a graphics card, so seeing as he hasn't responded, I guess I'll stop recording for a second and come back whenever he does. Okay, so I'm back. Miguel got back to me. He wants the card. He works until 6 o'clock, so he and I are going to meet up at a spot at about 6:30, and that's not very long from now. So I've got the 970 all packed up and ready to go. As soon as I hear from Miguel, we're going to head that way. So it is about 8 p.m. now. I went to go get my cousin to come with me, and he was kind of like be my cameraman and stuff, but I never heard from Miguel at all. You know, he said he got off work at like 6 and that he should be good to meet up around 6:30, so I was sending him messages on Facebook Messenger, and as far as I can tell, he hasn't even read those messages yet. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe he's not interested anymore. I mean, if he knew he was going to be getting it for free, he'd probably be interested. For right now, I'm hungry. So I'm going to get me something to eat. Okay, so Miguel flaked out. He never got back to me, so apparently he doesn't want that graphics card after all. So right now I am driving to meet up with a girl named Ashley, who she has agreed to pay $80 for the graphics card. So let's see what her reaction is when she finds out it's free. All right, we are here with the card. Meet Ashley. Let's go find her. Hello. Good. Are you Ashley?
Yeah.
Good to meet you.
Hi.
I'm Brian.
Ashley.
This is my wife.
Hello.
She's being my camera operator.
Awesome.
Thank you for agreeing
Yeah,
to
of course.
let me do this. I got a little confession to make.
All right.
I'm not really making a video about buying stuff online.
Okay.
I am telling the truth that I make YouTube videos, but my channel is really small. I just crossed over 6,000 subscribers, and I wanted to do something fun for that to celebrate it.
Cool.
And so instead of $80, it's yours.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, thank
It's
you
free.
so much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. Are you sure?
Yes, absolutely. And I didn't
All
record
right.
any of the audio, and I was going to. I hope that
Oh, wow.
phone picked it up. If not, I'm an idiot.
Awesome. I appreciate
But yeah, it's
it.
yours.
Thank you.
It works perfect. I mean, I've been using it for a few years.
Sweet. Awesome. Yeah, I have a 680, so I mean, it's an upgrade.
So yeah, that'll be a little bit of an upgrade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For my older computer, I have a newer one, but yeah, me and my girlfriend we want to game together, so
Okay.
I pulled out the old one, and I'm like, I need a better graphics card. So. Awesome.
All right.
Sweet. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you
Yeah,
again for agreeing.
I did
Appreciate
hug,
it.
so thank you.
Have a great day.
He's used to that. His wife's a hugger too.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So I just got back from meeting up with Ashley. That was super fun. Thank you, Ashley, for being so cool and being willing to be on camera for this. I think that I'm definitely going to be doing this again sometime. I also got to thank my wife for being my camera person on this, and for my cousin who was willing to be my camera person, but you know, that didn't exactly work out. Thank you to Miguel for your contribution to the video. I'm sorry you didn't end up with the card, man. But I guess things just weren't meant to go that way this time. Better luck next time. And of course, thank you so much to all of my subscribers. Without you guys, what I do here would actually be pretty pointless. And a great big thank you to all of you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit that thumbs up button before you go, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and check out my Amazon store at the link in the video description if you would like to help me continue to make more videos like this one. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time.